legend takes place in 15th century Barcelos. Its citizens had become upset by an unsolved crime that was so terrible that it had the citizens in the alarming state.
A poor pilgrim had been passing through Barcelos in order to fulfill a promise he made during a pilgrimage to Santiago Compostela. Despite his explanation for being in Barcelos, he was arrested and condemned to be hung.
He refused to go quietly and asked to be taken in front of the judge, who sentenced him to death.
Please, take me to the judge. I won't tell him I'm innocent.
Okay, let's go. The authorities granted his wish and brought him to the magistrate's house while he was having a banquet with friends.
I'm here to declare my innocence, Your Honor. To prove it, that roast will grow upon the hour of my hanging.
That's preposterous. Away with you! When the time for judgment came, the pilgrim went to the gallows to accept his punishment, as he was being hung. The roasted roast appeared and stood up on the table in front of the crowd and crowed, just as the pilgrim predicted.
The judge realized his mistake and rushed to save the pilgrim.
Oh my God! Release him! Release him! Release him! Release him!
Later, the pilgrim would return to Barcelos. He sculpted a cross in honor of the Virgin Mary and Saint James, who he felt was responsible for saving with the miracle of the rooster.
Today, this cross is referred to as the cross of the Lord of the Rooster. This statue still exists in the Archaeological Museum of Barcelos.